As AST Spacemobile sets out to build the first space-based cellular broadband network accessible by smartphones for commercial and government applications, they've ramped up manufacturing capacity and plan to support 5 scheduled orbital launches in the next 6 to 9 months. They have also expanded their U.S. government opportunity and expect to start generating meaningful revenue during 2025. The company announced a multi-provider satellite orbital launch plan, with 5 contracted launches scheduled over the next 6 to 9 months. They anticipate an average of 1 to 2 orbital launches per month in 2025 and 2026. The first Block 2 Bluebird satellite is expected to ship in Q2 2025, with its orbital launch scheduled for July 2025. They are on track to manufacture 40 Block 2 Bluebird satellites and procure components for over 50 satellites in total. Manufacturing is expected to reach a cadence of 6 satellites per month by 2025, with phased array equivalent targets set for Q3 2025. These plans support continuous cellular broadband coverage goals in key markets like the US, Europe, Japan, and other strategic markets during 2026. AST is working towards commercializing its advanced space mobile network, aiming for revenue opportunities between $50 to $75 million by the second half of 2025. They plan to activate initial cellular broadband capabilities in the US, Europe, and Japan, with major companies like AT&T, Rakuten, Verizon, and Vodafone using premium low-band wireless spectrum. The company is also increasing its activities under a $43 million U.S. Space Development Agency contract, and signed a new contract with the Defense Innovation Unit for up to $20 million in revenue for Spacemobile capabilities. In Q1 2025, they recorded gateway equipment bookings of $13.6 million, with an expected average booking of $10 million per quarter during 2025. Recently, Rakuten Mobile successfully completed a 2-way broadband video call using unmodified smartphones on the Spacemobile network, enabled by a Block 1 Bluebird satellite in orbit today, following successful video calls with AT&T, Vodafone, and Verizon. Then, on the regulatory approval and spectrum front, AST received special temporary authority from the FCC for FirstNet evaluation on public safety's Band 14 spectrum, supporting mission-critical capabilities with cellular broadband connectivity. An agreement was established with the U.S. National Science Foundation covering satellite and ground-based astronomy operations. The company is well positioned to complete full regulatory authorizations in the United States and Europe. Additionally, definitive agreements were signed for long-term access to up to 45 MHz of premium lower mid-band spectrum in the U.S. for direct-to-device applications. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.